Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck, and we'll be picking few more cards from the other deck for your daily energies, for your career situation and your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that card will answer what questions you have regarding your work situation or your relationship, guys. So we'll pick that card now, Wisdom Oracle card. So we'll open the cards now, guys. Cancers, for your daily energies, we have Six of Wands, Four of Pentacles in reverse, and Two of Pentacles. So with this card, Cancers, you are enjoying some success today, something in your work situation, maybe some completion of projects, or you may be signing some lucrative business deals. That is the reason for this happiness. Something you are feeling victorious in your situation, but you should not forget the people that have helped you to work to reach this state, guys. So you should give them credit. So whatever is due to them, you should be able to understand their role in your success and give them, be thankful for them. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, because you give yourself self-importance, maybe certain things they may be hindering you, the people who have worked with you, who are the reason for your success, but when you are not giving that importance to them, they may go against you, guys, and they may be trying to go against you in some ways, or they may be trying to hinder your projects or your deals, whatever is coming. So they may be obstructing that, causing obstacles that in that situation, guys, in work, or this may also relate to your relationship. When you feel that you are the only one responsible for this happiness in this relationship, and when you don't have that respect and caring for that person, they may try to do some, they may try to stress you out with some arguments or quarrels, guys. That is also the energy here. Some troubles, or they may be sending you messages about how hurt they are feeling because of your behavior. So you may get some form of communication that may be quite stressful for you also. That is what I see here, Cancers. So they may be sending you messages or texts or emails about their feelings, about how you are not giving them credit, you are not giving them importance in your life. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let us see what are these cards, Cancers. Heart, Bouquet, Mountain. So just like we saw, you are facing some obstacles, guys. Even with the previous cards, we said you are facing some stressful situations. So some obstacles are there in your life today, guys, and you are communicating about that to your friends or your family, with whomever you have that closeness with. You are communicating with them, and or maybe with this person, if you are if this stressful situation is because of your person, maybe you are trying to patch things up You may be taking them out for dinner or going to a party with your common friends, trying to get an understanding in your situation. Maybe you are apologizing to them, trying to get back to that understanding with this person, guys. That is what I see here. So for some of you all, you may be taking them out to a party, spending time together, and you are trying to build that affinity and harmony in your relationship, guys. And that is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be seeing certain creative ventures coming your way, or you may be going in for some creative projects, or a second career in a creative art maybe. So that is also the energy here, guys. And you feel that love, compassion in your relationship, that love and affection is there, but it is the time to have that compassion also. Give this person that importance, respect and caring. So that is what they are asking for, guys. So let us see what is the oracle's guidance for you all Cancers between worlds. So the oracle's guidance message for us Cancers, it is the time for transitions, guys. So we don't know where we are and where we are headed. So whatever plans we are making, whatever efforts we are making, so what is the goal? We do not know. So it is a time for us to have that curiosity about our situation, trust the process of change and growth. So whatever comes our way, whatever results that may come, we should wait for it with a childlike wonder, with that curiosity. When we do that, we will not be disappointed about the results, guys. And even in this relationship, we don't know where we are going to go, whether this relationship will last long or it will not, whether it will end abruptly, we do not know. So we have to just wait for things to go one day at a time. So that is what this card means. So, and even in our work situation, certain decisions would have worked for others. They would have benefited from those decisions, but that may not work for us. So this is the time we need to gamble. So whether we win or lose in our work, in our career, even that loss, we may learn something. So you need to remain curious, with waiting for that right time, for luck and timing to work to take us towards that goals, guys. So you need to give up your expectations, guys. So things are not this is not the time for guarantees, for certainty. We won't know what is going to come out, so we cannot plan or dictate. So we have to wait, be curious of our situation and wait for those results. So when we do that with curiosity, we will not be disappointed. So whatever that may come, we will welcome it with a smile. So that is what is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys. So you have to remain curious for the timing and luck to work, so it will take you towards success, and give up all that expectations that you have. So whatever that may come towards you, it will never disappoint you, guys. So that is the reading for you all Cancers, and thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye Cancers.